what how she is.
Good job. Thank you. Well, I wasn't looking at yours.
We're on a train.
We're not posting those, right?
I'm saying
Yeah.
Farmers Market. I tried. I tried. Hey, Dad, I'm coming.
We're walking.
I'm back in the day now. Are you so well, you know? As if I didn't teeter enough when I walked.
Oh my goodness, we're almost dead off.
Ow! Oh, this is good. Ow! That's nice.
Be careful. So like, they just break.
Right, this door is very.
What do you think? Oh, watch out, Sophie. You're blocking her view.
So guys, I'm really sorry that like there's like random things happening in this video. Yeah, I'm also with some friends, with my parents, whatever. Anywho, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video a lot. I will be speaking at the end too, so speak to that.
Oh, we're close? Okay.
Putting that in my pocket? You really trust me?
Just stay in the middle.
I'm saying it's really us. Oh no.
How does that make you feel, dude? How does that make you feel? You do not like this. Come back. Bass Point Creek. Look at all the vultures sitting up there just waiting for us. They're waiting for us to hit the bottom.
There's two of them. Oh my god. Wow, look at it. Oh my god. Look at there's a creek down there.
What do you think?
I was like 6.
Wait, where was
Santa's hanging out at the whole depot here.
Yeah, that's
I hope Santa's short because that one looks more like an elf depot.
That looks like all is that? Looks kind of looks like a dog. It looks like a dog.
Damn.
Yeah.
Take the train out, get stopped, and then offload everybody.
We do that.
Is it? That'd be cool. That would be a fun way to go to camp. like get dropped off at Hogwarts. They got two guys. And the volleyball.
Yeah, basketball.
Yep. And whatever that
Look
makes.
at that rock climbing wall.
Is that what that is?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
yeah,
what
I
it's
see it
called.
now. That would be cool.
I got a camp.
I think it's closer. Look at the size of that pool, though.
Yeah, there's water in it.
Okay, that's not big of a the back blue I thought was more powerful. The bridge. I don't think that water's deep enough to jump off. You might get a rude awakening on the bottom. I say I don't remember the Des Moines being a particularly deep river. Go catfishing. Have I been in it? I don't remember. I don't think I fished in it. Other than what we're doing right now?
Girl, get your head back.
Not that I can think of.
Sophie, why are you going so Oh no. Ow! Ah! We're back. I'm not there though. So guys, I didn't really end the video very well, so thank you guys for watching this video. Because if you big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel below. I love you all so much. Thank you all so much for so much for the support, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully it'll be a fun video. Request videos in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much. Love you all.